Hey Supercoder! Today we're going to make a simple but super fun menu selection game in Scotch. We'll learn how to make clickable buttons, add a cool bounce effect when we hover over them, and change our scenes when a choice is made. Let's get started! First, we need our opening backdrop. Click the Choose a Backdrop button and pick the one you want for your menu. Now let's make the text box that says Choose Your Game. Click Paint a Sprite, draw a rectangle, and add your text using the text tool. You can choose colors, outline, and size however you like. Now we make our two buttons, Cooking Game and Bee Game. Click Paint a Sprite again, draw a simple rectangle or rounded rectangle, and add the text for Cooking Game. Repeat for Bee Game. From the Looks category, drag out the set size to % block. Here's the twist. Instead of typing a normal number, we're going to use this formula. Size plus 120 minus size /5. Now, let's see what happens when we click it. Whoa, the button grows bigger. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's duplicate that same block, but this time change 120 to 100. What do you think will happen when we click this version? Yep, the button shrinks. So here's the plan. If the mouse pointer touches the button grows. Otherwise, the button shrinks. To make that happen, grab an if-else block. For the condition, we'll use touching mouse pointer. Exactly. In the if part, drop the grow code. In the else part, drop the shrink code. Do we want this to happen just once? Nope. We want it to keep happening as long as the game runs. So we wrap everything in a forever loop. And finally, don't forget to add a when green flag clicked block at the top to start it all off. Now, let's set up what happens when we click the Bee Game button. When that button is clicked, we want the backdrop to change. Let's use the garden backdrop for this. So go to the coding area for the Bee Game button. Add the code so that when this sprite clicked, it will switch backdrop to garden. Got it? Let's test it. Yep, it works. But wait, let's click the green flag again. The backdrop is still the garden, even at the start. That's not what we want. Our first backdrop should be the start backdrop. So here's the fix. Go to the stage and add a switch backdrop to start block. Put a when green flag clicked block above it. Now, whenever the game starts, the backdrop will automatically reset to our starting scene. Up next, we need to make one important change. When the backdrop switches to the garden, we don't want to see the Cooking Game and Bee Game buttons anymore. Instead, we want to show new options. Choose your character, one button for Bee, and another for Ladybug. Here's how we do it. Right after our switch backdrop to garden block, we'll broadcast a new message. Let's call it Bee Game Selected. Now, when the Bee Game button receives Bee Game Selected, it should hide. We'll do the same for the Cooking Game button, so both disappear when the Bee Game is chosen. Now for the text box, we'll make a second costume for it. The first costume says Choose Your Game, and the second will say Choose Your Character. In the code for the text box, we'll add, when I receive Bee Game Selected, switch costume to costume 2. Next, we'll create two new sprites, a honeybee and a ladybug. These should only appear when the Bee Game is clicked, so for each one, we'll add, when I receive Bee Game Selected, show. Let's test it. Oh wait, problem. The bee and ladybug are already on the screen when the game starts. The text box also says choose your character right away. Here's the fix. For honeybee and ladybug, add, when green flag clicked, hide. For the text box, add, when green flag clicked, switch costume to costume 1. Choose your game. And finally, for the Cooking Game and Bee Game buttons, when green flag clicked, show. That's it! Super clean, super simple. We've got our character selection working after the Bee Game is chosen. I'll see you in the next episode. Happy coding!